never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading.
Good morning. How you guys doing? All right. Hi.
25 cents. Oh yeah, I forgot about the job. I think that's
Man, is this new?
No, I think so, Mom. Is that new? Yes, it's brand new, never been used.
How much did you want for it?
How much do you want for it?
Okay. All right, I'm gonna get it.
Go put this in the house.
Definitely.
That's brand new too. It hasn't been used.
How much did you want? Okay.
Kylie, one night.
I'm gonna get two. Hold this one. Yeah, I'm about to get them.
You can have a good.
Thank you. Throw it in my pocket. Thank you. Oh, what's that for? Oh, okay. But that's your stuff, though. The one in the pink shirt? Oh, yeah. That's your stuff. So I guess the man. Oh, he's ready? Oh, okay. You're waiting on him. Oh, no, it's just got stuff in it. And just go for it. I just found a bag that I forgot to unpack, I think.
I got all of these. Would you be able to work something out with me?
I'm sorry?
If I got all of these, would you be able to work something out for me?
That would be my daughter. Man. Okay.
We have neighbors on that.
Yeah, they're hers. I can't say.
Okay.
I can't make a deal.
Oh,
with
sorry.
that stuff. I can only do it with phone.
That's my mom.
That's $1.
Thank you.
Smart thing I could do is go back and get you.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. You getting those?
Yeah. Well, I'm ready to see if I can. Like 20 maybe. They going 20.
Let's do a bundle.
Would you be able to do like $2 for each one?
Sure.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna drop these in the car real quick. You got my stuff, the other stuff too, right?
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna drop these.
Do you
in the
want to
car.
put them in a bag? Or?
Oh, that would be so helpful.
We have extra. I have more too. I can grab.
Thank you so much.
You want me to grab another one?
No. I'm gonna call right there. I'm gonna call right in the trunk. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh shoot. No, I haven't paid for those yet, honey. Give me 1 sec. How much is
So
this
this
stuff?
is 50 cents. She said 50 cents.
So $2. She said $1. I think.
$1
$2.
yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
All right, well, wait, did I get
I'm gonna sneak in real quick.
Yeah, go do what you got to do.
you want to pick this box up for me?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, no, it's not. Double D.
Nothing there.
Airbud. Yeah. Damn. Peter Dragon. Did you ever see this show? This was amazing, bro. Oh, Pinocchio.
Oh, the suitcase bag. Sorry, I'm sorry. They're $1 a piece.
How much you say the DVDs were? 50 cents.
Like a color insulated bag.
One, two, three, four.
All right, are you changed?
No, don't worry. It's 50 cents. Don't
I'm
worry.
trying to count and
Yeah,
count
don't
and
worry.
My numbers got.
Oh yeah. What's the new? Isn't that a new guy?
For $1? Sure. You need another bag? Thank you. Have a nice day.
How much are these books down here?
50 cents, maybe $1 for large ones.
Said 50 cents to $1.
That's it.
Money. you.
Hello, how you guys doing?
Hi.
Hey, quick question. The Budweiser cups. Could you do $2 a piece for the Budweiser cups?
I don't think she can. What does she have? Five? Or
Yeah.
5?
Yeah.
How about 12 for all of them? They're collectors, I think, and I know they've never been opened. Because they are collectibles. Yeah.
Okay. You said so it's 4 a piece.
Sorry, they're not mine.
Yeah. All right. Maybe. Not if I do them as a set, only got one shipping cost. Right. There you go.
Do you need a bag?
No, I'm gonna throw them in my car.
Okay, all right, thank you so
Thank you so much. All right.
I won't there.
How you guys doing? What was I watching all week? What was I watching all week?
Good morning. Howdy.
Look. Look.
The complete season.
Wow. How much is Sex in the City? $5. Wow. Gotta get
watching
it.
it
Been watching this all week. It's so fun.
Yeah, I got it for Christmas.
Yeah, I gotta get it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Of course.
Mm.
Now you can watch it in order.
Watching
Exactly.
it this morning.
Yeah, it's so good.
Yes, it is. I've seen it so many times. I just enjoy it. Excuse
I don't
me.
think I've ever seen it.
Never?
I
Well,
don't
you,
think I've
well, you're gonna have to find another way to watch it now. Yeah.
I've been watching like Netflix.
Somebody's gonna tell you.
No, you have to watch Sex in the City.
fine.
Is
Yes.
that the one with the Sarah Jessica?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sarah Jessica Parker.
Yeah, you have to watch this. Sometimes it's really good. It's addictive. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they're like real popular.
What kind of horses are these?
They were yapping a couple minutes ago.
Those are Briar collectibles. So these ones are a little more rare. That's why they're a little more pricey. But for the ones in the box, I do
Birthday parties. That's
$5 for a big horse. This one's broken, so I'll give it to you for free.
Oh, okay. Briars. I never heard of them before.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's pretty cool. Oh, they look nice. That one look nice.
Nice.
Yeah, that's really nice.
But he's off. Well, he goes to college the 23rd.
Were you looking?
Coming up.
Oh.
And,
Am I? No.
well, I think because from lockdown, I live in LA Devonshire.
How you so good with knowing which horse is which?
Well, there's a website called Identify Your Briar because I wasn't before, and we didn't even really realize what we had because she bought them for me as toys. So some of them are a little marked up. So that's why I said the prices aren't firm. But
Okay.
like this one was only available for 6 years. This one for 3. This pair for 2
Oh, it's a pair.
years. Yeah, it's a mom and baby.
Okay.
Yeah, but so they kind of give you an estimate. Like if it was only available for so many years, then it might be worth this much. So I just kind of wondered.
Oh, okay.
And these are as well?
No, those are Briars as well, but those aren't considered rare because they've been available for a lot longer.
That
so
one is really nice. I really like that
Yeah.
one. It's really different. I really like that one.
this one you said?
Yeah, that one's pretty
Yeah,
cool.
I could do 15
Okay.
if the price is making you hesitate.
Yeah, let me think about that. If I was to get like all of them, what would you sell them to me for?
All these on the table, or
All of them.
every horse
Yeah.
you see?
I haven't walked through it either. It's been too hot.
Probably Maybe like 60?
60.
Or 55?
Don't worry about it. Yeah.
What's your thing?
No, I might walk it. Well, we'll see today. I got some things to do. Mom's a church greeting. Oh, okay. I don't know what time she'll be home. I did too.
Like 50?
No, I got up 8:30. That's late for me.
You can do that?
Yeah.
You take the chance? Did you do it even 50?
Yeah.
You could have sat in my seat. Yeah. Good.
Yeah, let me see if I had some boxes. I'll look for
No. We'll put them. We'll put them in. It should be okay in there. Can you put this on there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That one so I can remember. And you said this one go with this one, right?
Yeah. These are a pair.
Okay.
Let me get you, because I wanted to hold on to this tub.
Oh, okay.
No, that's okay.
No.
Yeah, let me see if I have a,
There was a box on the.
Yeah, it's a perfect box. Okay. I'll let you do it. I'll let you be
yeah,
more.
we'll put the lesser ones on the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, well, my problem is I have a very high arch.
And I still
And
have, after all these, I have like 35 more horses. I mean, that's how many I was getting as a kid. And now knowing how you know,
35 more?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm not looking to get rid of those though.
Wow.
These ones I was willing to part with.
Okay.
Like these are a set Flicka, the movie, the 2006.
So, okay.
Those two belong
Yeah,
together.
this one I really like a lot.
Yeah.
A lot.
Could hold on to that.
Yeah, I like this
You
one.
might be interested in these, just even
I really like this one a lot.
want to wear.
This kind of a metallic one is the
Okay.
is the American quarter horse.
Okay.
Just got them.
I'm gonna bring the car down. Okay. Yeah, cause look like we still. There's another yard sale down there, right? Or is this the last one? There you go.
Thank you
so much. Appreciate you working with me.
Absolutely.
All right. You have a great day.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
It's not. Oh, I thought. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you guys. All right. Have a good day. All right. Bye.
Yeah, I don't think there's anyone down here.
Okay.
No, I'm just going to sit through.
Yeah.